working or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
Mom. Huh? This expired in 2017.
No.
A wet spot right here down his leg. Who, Archer?
Shit is dinner like. Ooh.
Ooh, hang on, sao với hết hả?
131.25.
Yeah, but I haven't even opened it.
It's fine. Make a fucking grilled cheese with it. Stop it.
April 2022. This is creme cheese. You know how that.
Open it up. Throw the sauce away. August 8th, 2023.
That one's gone.
I'm throwing these away, Mom. You do not need these.
No, I need that. That's for... no.
December 17th, 2024.
August 14th, 2023. Goodbye.
Expired.
It's the 2nd of November, 2015.